जो भी मुझे जानता है वो ये भी जानता होगा कि I love bikes and furry babies, dogs. When it comes to bikes, we put in the best fuel to ensure the best performance and healthy engine. So how can I feed anything less healthy to my furry baby? But the problem is I am really bad at cooking and I don't want to feed just anything that is available out there in the market as a ready to eat food. जो honestly देखा जाए तो स्नैक्स से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. मुझे चाहिए कुछ ऐसा जिसमें हो हाई प्रोटीन, बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन, डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ एंड जीरो फिलर्स. तो अभी रिसेंटली मुझे पता चला अबाउट लिकीशियस. They have a variety of products that provide required protein and nutrients without any added flavor or preservatives, which can actually be used as a proper meal as replacement. So now I can be stress free and feed my baby something that is full of nutrition and tasty too.